Riding at night or in bad weather can be nerve-wracking without proper visibility. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Kiewig LED Light Kit. The Kiewig Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Kit, priced at $145.99. What caught my attention is its impressive 60W output and 6,000 lumens, making it a solid choice for anyone needing reliable visibility on the road. If you want high-performance lighting for your rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Kiewig lights feature a scientific design with high-quality chips and optical lenses, ensuring that even in the toughest conditions like fog or heavy rain, you get a clear beam of light. The ability to switch between white and amber light modes is a game changer, especially when you're navigating unpredictable weather. Plus, with over 100 units sold in the past month, people clearly trust it. Now, some people complained about installation difficulties. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial setup, the versatility and brightness make it all worth the effort. If you're someone who rides often in various conditions, these lights will deliver when it counts. This is perfect for you if you regularly ride in adverse weather conditions or at night. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, as it does come at a higher price point, but for the features it offers, the value is right on point. Now, if the price of the Kiewig lights bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Z-Moon LED Pods. The Z-Moon Motorcycle LED Driving Fog Lights, available for just $24.99. I was genuinely surprised by how budget-friendly these lights are while still packing a punch with 60W and a 600-foot projection distance. If you want excellent brightness without breaking the bank, definitely give these a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Z-Moon lights have dual color functionality, allowing you to switch between white and amber light. This adaptability means you can tailor your lighting to the conditions, whether it's a clear night or a foggy day. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, you're looking at years of reliable use, and it's compatible with all DC 9 to 30V vehicles, making it super versatile. However, some users pointed out that the mounting brackets can feel a bit flimsy. Now, I'll be real with you, while that might be a concern for aggressive off-road riders, if you're mainly using these on the street or in mild conditions, they hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and affordable option for your motorcycle. Skip this one if you need something extremely rugged for tough off-roading, but for the price, the value is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your nighttime adventures.
Product number 3, Kiewig Driving Lamps. The third product is another from Kiewig, their Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Driving Spotlights, priced at $126.89. This set caught my attention because it combines solid performance with a sleek design. If you want something that balances power and style, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These lights boast an impressive output of 5,000 lumens and offer different modes, including a strobe function. This flexibility is crucial for alerting other drivers to your presence, especially in tricky conditions. What's more, the IP68 waterproof rating means it won't let you down during rainy rides. However, some reviews mentioned that the light throw isn't as long as expected. But here's the thing. While you might not be lighting up the entire highway, the focused beam is excellent for closer visibility, which is often what you need when navigating turns or obstacles. This is perfect for you if you enjoy night riding but want something that's easy to install and dependable. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-long distance lighting, but with its quality and features, it's still a great value for what you get. Now, if you're after maximum adjustability and custom lighting, the next product on our list really shines. Product number 4, Future Eyes Fog Lights. We have the Future Eyes LED Motorcycle Fog Lights, priced at $125.99. The 360-degree adjustability feature immediately caught my eye, allowing you to direct the light just where you need it. If you want flexibility in your lighting setup, this one is definitely intriguing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lights provide enhanced nighttime visibility thanks to their high transmittance optical lenses and multiple modes, including amber for foggy conditions and white for long distances. This adaptability can significantly improve your safety, especially if you often ride in varied environments. Plus, with an IP67 rating, you won't have to worry about rain or dust ruining your ride. That said, some users reported issues with the wiring harness being complicated. I'll be real, if you're not comfortable with wiring, it could be a frustration. But for those who can handle a little DIY, the performance and safety benefits are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride in both urban and off-road settings. Skip this one if you want a plug-and-play installation without any hassle. But when it comes to safety and visibility, it's a solid investment. And if you want something that packs a lot of modes and brightness, the last product may just do the trick.
Product number 5, we have the AMAT Motorcycle Lights LED Auxiliary Spotlights, priced at just $40.99. What stood out to me is the 7 lighting modes, giving you lots of options for various situations. If you want customizable lighting without a hefty price tag, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With modes like high beam, strobe, and even overtaking, you can adapt your lighting to whatever you're facing. This kind of flexibility can be incredibly helpful if you frequently change your riding environment. Plus, the use of aluminum alloy ensures durability, and with over 50,000 hours of lifespan, you're getting long-lasting value. However, a few users have mentioned that the instructions can be a bit confusing during installation. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the installation is pretty straightforward, and for the price, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable light that can adapt to many situations. Skip this one if you prefer lights that are ready to go right out of the box. But when you consider how customizable this product is, it's definitely worth a look. To wrap things up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The Kiwik LED kit is perfect for those needing high visibility, while the Z-Moon pods offer incredible value. The other Kiwik model balances power and design nicely, and the Future Eyes lights give you that versatility with adjustable beams. Finally, the AppMat lights shine with their customizable modes.